Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with RENDEL RV, and today I want to take you around this 2021 Salem Hemisphere 23BHHL. It is a fiberglass unit under 30 foot, and it's going to be a Hyper-Lyte, so it's half-tone towable. It's got your electric awning, LED lights, some outside speakers. They light up. Here's your light strip. Also at night you can bring the TV out here, mount it to that wall. It's got the new solid steps. Your outside kitchen. Your suburban griddle. Alright, like I said, a little bit smaller. It's got the small slide versus a super slider, which gives you the U-shaped dinette. It's got a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. It's a 12 volt full electric. Shut that. Spin around here. So across from your dinette, you do get the TV, sound system, fireplace. This is your kitchen area. Front here, queen size bed, 2 wardrobes, some overhead storage, a little bit of storage underneath the bed. And it's got all your blackout roller shades throughout the whole camper. Come to the back of the coach. Got some bunk beds. Pretty good sized bathroom here. Lots of floor space. Mirror, sink area, and your shower. There's a linen closet. And behind your entertainment system is your little walk-in pantry, storage closet. So that's a quick look at the 23BHHL. If you're interested, it's on our website, rendelrv.com, or you can call us 903-326-4080.